You are here.
Your Excellency.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
All right, Your Excellency, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, sir.
No, get up. No.
Your Excellency, sir.
Yeah. You were transiting.
Yes. almost there. Yeah, Your Excellency, we sincerely thank you.
There is no party like the PDP, and those who are trying to bring about division either regionally or ethnically or religiously will surely fail, because the bulk or the majority of members of the PDP are on the opposite side. In other words, they want to see a united PDP, a strong PDP, a PDP that can again bring good governance to this country, because we have done it before, and the people of this country know that we have what it takes to do it. We have the necessary capacity, the men and women and the youth to do it again, so we can do it again.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.